Design is really big on relationships, building relationships with our general contractor as well as our other subcontractors that we work with. One of the ways that we do that is by our safety. We incentivize our management and all of our guys in the field to be as safe as possible because we want to make sure that we're bringing each and every one of you home to your families every single night. So, Power Design incentivizes our guys by 3 different things: having a perfect OSHA score, a QC, a Power Design QC score of 85% or higher, and having 0 incidents on site. And I want to bring up our Super Joel here. If you could come up, we've got one. Here, do you want to step over this? Come up here. We've got one little prize for you, and it's pulling up there in the back. That is your brand new 2019 Ford pickup truck. That's all yours, buddy.
No.
That's you. That's you, buddy. If you can, hey, and it's nice, pretty black.
No, bro. That's fine. Oh my God. I can't believe you, bro.
Dude,
No.
we appreciate we appreciate what you're doing out here. You guys want the Sunshine Safety Award?
Oh my goodness. Oh, wow.
Congrats, buddy.
Oh my goodness. No, this is not true. No, this is not true. Oh my goodness.
So excited.
Wow. Shit. Oh. Thank you. Oh my goodness.
All yours.
Shit. Bye. Oh shit, this is not true, guys. Wow. See you later.
Oh man, I'm so happy for you.
Oh my goodness.
You deserve it.
Thank you.
You deserve it, bro.
Oh wow.
You deserve it.
Oh wow, this is the reason of the party. I know now. Yes, please.
Okay.
I'm nervous right now. I don't want to scratch my new truck. Thank you to the office. Thank you to Mitch. Thank you to everybody. I'm really happy. I'm really surprised about this guy. Thank you so much.
So today it will be my 40th year working with Power Design, actually in June. So I am a rough foreman. Actually I do more units, common areas, garage, courtyards.
Yeah.
So I came down here today because I asked that I want to be trying something different, like fire alarm. So for some new people like apprentices, that they are starting with a company, so it is a good idea to set the goal what kind of foreman they want to do, because that should be the next step for them.
Yeah.
So either they want to be a rough foreman or distribution foreman. So the best way to start is to start with somebody like, for example, me. Yes, I mean, yeah, anytime they invite me, it's good to meet.
Got to start. Yeah, let's see that.
And what happened there?
Hey, we need another truck.
Look good.
It's your fucking truck.
Oh man, thank you.
Get in there.
Today you gave me a surprise, man. Thank you. Wow. This year I didn't remember about this, man. I did it actually the first year. That's one of the reasons that pushed me to finish my OSHA Tori when they did the first one. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen.
gentlemen, Mr. Will Caddis, let's hear him for him. Done very well.
Good surprise.
What do you think?
It's a big surprise.
Yeah?
Actually,
All these people can hear you.
I'm Stephanie Moriarty, and my husband is William Moriarty, and we're here in Houston at his project Barry Knowles. We're going to surprise him with this beautiful truck from PDI. He's going to be super surprised because, number one, I didn't tell him I was coming up here, so he has no idea I'm even here. And then, second of all, he has no idea that he is getting a truck, and he'll have no idea why I'm here.
All right, well, my name is William Moriarty. I've been working for Power Design for almost 5 years.
So excited. Can't wait to surprise him. He's going to freak out.
There's different type of milestones, and they got different dates on them, and you just do the best you can to hit those dates. If you can't hit those dates, you talk about it with your PM and see what you can do about getting it moved. Well, the most important one is getting permanent power in the building. Second is drying.
Second is drying.
Drying.
Okay. And then, was there anything else, you know, that you think would help kind of, you know, push people in a way to where?
What? Hold on.
Yeah, Will!
No.
Yeah, buddy!
Yeah. Oh, we got this.
Congratulations. Congratulations, big guy. You deserve it, bud. You deserve it.
You okay?
Yeah, buddy.
You deserve it, man.
Hold on, right, pays off, please. Pays off. Great job, man. Great job. Good, bro.
Good job, brother.
Congrats, babe. Good job. Now I have a new car.
No, you don't. I tell everybody this is an awesome company to work for. Awesome company to work for. You don't have to worry about me going nowhere. And you got my wife in this one too. That's awesome. Thank you. How long have you known about this?
A few days.
Are you kidding me?
They wanted to surprise you. Are you okay?
I never thought it would be me. I've only been here 5 years. Never thought it'd be me. I'm glad Brett and Doug was involved in it too. I love those guys.
You're killing it.
You want to unmic me? We good?
No, not yet.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.